What's going on, guys? And like you see in the title, we got a different kind of video today. Today we're going to be taking my pet fish for a ride in my sports car. Now, fair warning, no fish will be harmed in the making of this video. I have a Betta named Gilligan. He's a strong fish. I've done this plenty of times and he's been fine with it. He gets kind of shooken up from car rides, but this is just normal. So before we proceed, be sure to smash that like button and definitely subscribe if you're new to the channel, because we got hella more car content coming. And my fish might show up in future videos. I might take my fish to me, who knows. But anyways, let's get to it. So as you can see, there's my fish tank. This, mind you, this is a two-seater, so there's no back seats at all. That's my trunk. It's freaking full to the brim because I'm moving out of college. That's why we're doing this video. But anyways, yeah, that's my fish tank. I don't know if you're gonna be able to catch the Betta because I have a lot of plants, logs and shit like that in there, and he's probably hiding because he doesn't like this that much. But anyways, so yeah, he's definitely hiding in there. I don't know if you can see him at all because he's probably sitting at the bottom just chilling. He's Betta, he does that a lot. But I mean, honestly, he doesn't seem to mind it. Like, this is pretty comfortable ride. The suspension isn't that rough. And literally, like, if I put him in here, he kind of just chills. Like, Gilligan's really responsive to me. He's not just like a goldfish that kind of swims in circles. If he sees me, he'll swim up to the top. And when we're sitting in the car, he'll just kind of like just sit there and just stare at me while we're driving, and it's hilarious. But yeah, until we get to our next stop, enjoy this little montage of me and my Betta Gilligan is chilling. Oh yeah, there's also a snail in there. So the snail's named Hermaphrodite because we thought it was a hermaphrodite, but it turns out that it was actually a male. But anyways, that's another story. But are you really, Gil? See, I think he enjoyed it. Like, that wasn't that bad. Like, I was only going probably like 60. The speed limit is 61, so. But anyways, we're gonna focus on the road and get back to the house. We got unpacking everything. But if you enjoyed this video, definitely leave a like, subscribe, definitely share it with some fish lovers and car lovers that you think would like this video.